rural artisans do not get the real value for their product because of the middlemen involved. The majority of the artisans in India live below the poverty line. Their retail is carried out through physical sale of products. During the pandemic, physical interaction has been diminished. This has had a devastating impact on the handicraft industry. The artisans in India lacked an e-commerce platform to keep up with the technological trends. In this era of digitalization, these artisans need a platform to break the cycle of poverty and build a brighter future. We at Sambandh aim to financially and socially uplift the hard-working artisans and help them carve a better future. The top 10% of the Indian population holds 77% of the national wealth. 73% of the wealth generated in 2020 went to the richest. 67 million Indians, comprising the poorest half of the population, saw only 1% increase in their wealth, and 10 million of them are street vendors, primarily artisans. Sambandh is the Hindi translation for connect, and we here at Sambandh aim to provide the artisans with an e-commerce platform to connect them with prospective buyers. Through our initiative, our goal is to reduce income inequality and improve the standards of the marginalized groups of society by giving them a chance to sell their unique and traditional products to our wide customer base. We identify artisans across the country and take them on as our clients. Through our easy-to-use websites, we display their products to a wide range of customers.
Our entire process is very simple. After contacting the artisans, our team displays their products on a website. Through the shop portal on our website, you can access the broad variety of products offered by our clients. Earlier, we all had to go out of our houses and find these artisans to buy such products. But now we have solved this very problem by creating an Amazon for handicraft products. Just like any other e-commerce platform, you can order your favorite products by following these very simple steps. Once you click the shop portal, you will gain access to our products. Through the sort button, you can segregate the products by state or by type. After sorting the products according to your preference, click on the product of your choice. You will be redirected to the individual page where you can add your product to the cart. Once you have added the items of your preference, you can check out and select the mode of payment and place your order.
Now, from the consumer's point of view, why should you use Sambandh? Firstly, establish a direct trade link between the consumer and the seller. Secondly, be exposed to a wide range of unique traditional handicraft products. Thirdly, convenient and safe to use. Fourthly, gain access to regional specialities which are not available on any other platform at affordable prices.
Seller's point of view, why should you use Sambandh? Employ and empower more artisans, gain recognition by digitalizing the industry, help small artisans improve their income by doing e-commerce, and lastly, encourage more artisans to improve their skills and create better quality products.
Oh, you must be asking, what is our target audience? Right. Well, interestingly, it includes everyone from a 1-year-old baby looking for some baby oil which has not been processed by a particular factory to a 31-year-old woman who's looking for maybe a jute bag which is handmade. And to wrap things up, let's do the financials. Come on, we're Indians after all. We love doing this stuff.
Our estimated cost for packaging and transportation is $14,000, while for market research and initial marketing is $700. And for website development and maintenance, it's another $700. And finally, for the cost of setting up the company and hiring some employees is $3,000. And that brings us to a grand total of $18,400.
It is important to realize that a lot of love, care and affection goes into the back-breaking work that these artisans do, and they are big on traditional values. This is their ethos and their niche, if you will. That is what differentiates their products from those of industry. The knowledge that someone has taken invaluable time out of their life to craft something specifically for you is probably the determining factor in the purchase of these products. There are a myriad of products that are yet to be put on the map, and we hope that with your support, we will be able to put them there.